Hi, my name is Joel Rosenlicht, and I'm an oral and maxillofacial surgeon practicing here in Manchester, Connecticut for about the last 34 years or so. I went to dental school at Fairleigh Dickinson University, but I did my oral and maxillofacial surgical training at the combined program of Boston University and Tufts University. I'm not quite sure why I chose oral and maxillofacial surgery to be my final specialty. In dental school, there's lots of different specialties within dentistry. Oral and maxillofacial surgery is one. I think I chose it because it's really the most complete one that involves a lot of surgery, diagnosis, and treatment planning for all those issues that involve the head and neck. I think there's lots of different approaches that we take in regards to patient care, especially as it involves oral and maxillofacial surgery. Going to the dentist and having dental work done is a pretty fearful experience for a lot of patients. So I think our goal is to make the experience as comfortable for the patients as possible. We utilize a number of different techniques to do that, whether it be with verbal reassurance or different anesthetic techniques when procedures are being done for patients. But we really want to have our patients have a very comfortable experience, and not that you can enjoy going to the dentist, but for the most part, having gone to the dentist, we hope that they'd have a great experience here. When I first came to Connecticut, I really wasn't quite sure what I was getting involved with. I actually was hired by somebody in the Hartford area, and that relationship was very short-lived. It only lasted about 6 or 7 months, but I really did enjoy being in Connecticut, and I kind of felt comfortable here. And it was a natural progression for me to go from Hartford to Manchester. The town was kind of growing in the late 70s, and the nice facilities. The hospital was really very accommodating for new practitioners. So that's kind of what drew me to the area. And then over the years, I've just seen an explosion in healthcare east of the river. And Manchester Hospital, now ECHN with Rockville Hospital, has really come a long way and has been able to allow me to actually deliver state-of-the-art procedures to my patients. Well, I'm very fortunate to have a great family. I have 2 boys and a stepdaughter, all working in Manhattan, and they just give us a great deal of pleasure and happiness. In fact, my youngest just graduated this past weekend with an MBA from Georgetown, so we're all proud of that. But all the kids really have some great assets to them. I'm fortunate also that my wife's a registered dental hygienist, so actually coming home, it's easy to talk about the work that we do during the course of the day, and we also share a lot of the same, passions of flying and traveling, and Manchester has been a great place to raise our kids, enjoy growing the practice, and it's really far exceeded all my expectations when I first came here over 30 years ago. As far as hobbies and things, I really like all kinds of sports. Been very athletic my whole life, played some college sports. But right now, I think my passion really is flying, which I'm able to kind of combine with some personal pleasures as well as professionally, because I do some lecturing and some speaking around the country, and this allows me to get around a little bit easier.